Ann Patricia Lorenzo. Hello, representing Manila.
Yes, hello Mama Tente.
Yeah. Ang nakakagulat dito, nobody knows that you'll be joining here at Miss International Queen Philippines. Why is that? At tanong na karamihan, bakit mo daw sinikreto?
Kasi 'di ba parang after 2 consecutive years na pagsali ko, ang literal na ang ingay-ingay ng social media about Ann Patricia Lorenzo. But this time, I want to make it secret muna para syempre makapag-isip ako and then mas makalkul ako sa sarili ko if I truly want ba talagang sumali or not. So ayun, para syempre 'di ba?
Ayun nga ang question. The next question will be, what made you decide to finally ay maging candidate of the Miss International Queen?
Miss International Queen Philippines and to represent Philippines in the Miss International Queen, never naman nawala yung pangarap na yan sa akin eh. After competing in Bali, Indonesia for Miss Equality World and when I won first runner-up, sabi ko sa sarili ko, baka kaya hindi ko nakuha yung corona that time sa Bali, Indonesia is because I still need to do something. Not only for myself, not only for my gym, but maybe for the community na gusto siguro nilang magkaroon ng parang kakampi nila na kagaya nila na merong isang Ann Patricia Lorenzo na after madapa ng 2 beses, hindi sumuko. Kasi di ba iba akala nila parang after they lose 1, twice, or thrice, tapos na dun nag-e-end na dun So maybe makapag-inspire naman ako na parang merong isang Ann Patricia Lorenzo na kahit gaano kahirap yung pangarap, kahit napakadaming balakid, still lumalaban.
You are already an endorser, artista ka, TV host. Also, you're already a beauty queen of your own right. Parang sabi kasi ng karamihan, you don't have to prove anything. What is that thing that you would like to prove to all the Filipino people and your fans and followers out there?
Yes, Mama Ten, you're right that I have nothing to prove na naman na. Parang I'm doing this, just like what I've said earlier, for my community because first, of course, in the Philippines, we are not politically recognized. So kailangan siguro ng isang kagaya ko, maybe ng isang kagaya ko na makapag-tap sa government or sa mga tao or some sectors na makakarinig ng boses namin to do something na baka naman ma-recognize naman kami politically. And also of course to represent those people na ilang beses nang nadapa pero babangon for their dreams.
Yeah, pangarap para sa karamihan, isn't it?
Yes, tama. And of course, the team of Miss International Queen Philippines this year is transformation. So dadaan tayong lahat sa transformation yung mga lesson na natutunan natin from the previous years sa buhay natin. So maybe ngayon, I will transform to someone na gagawin yung pangarap para naman, di ba, mamaya may tumawag sa akin, oy Ate Ann, isang trans nene na, alam mo na panood kita, and then I'm so inspired sa story mo kasi you never give up on your dream.
So we are talking about transformation here. Is that the look and the totality of Ann Patricia that we're gonna be waiting to your journey here at Miss International Queen, or medyo may mga strategy na babaguhin?
Maraming babaguhin, of course. Kasi nga, di ba, sabi nga sa online, lagi ko narinig, umay na siya si Ann, ganyan. Pero sa akin, parang naman walang naging umay pagdating sa pangarap. If there's something na babaguhin ko, siguro chill lang, and then yung pagkakatiwalaan ko, yung team, yung core team ko, na kung ano ba yung nakikita nila, na makasundo ng personality ko, yung ganyan, kung anong looks ba kami this year.